This Medical Minute is brought to you by Tulane Doctors.
Heartburn is kind of a blanket term that we use to discuss reflux, and there are heartburn symptoms which can sometimes be different than medical reflux. And what I'll do is actually do surgery to take those symptoms away. I think a majority of people see their primary care doctors or sometimes the gastroenterologist for reflux disease or for heartburn, and I'm another option to be seen for reflux. I would say that I'm probably a more permanent option because we actually go to surgery and repair the anatomy in such a way that we get people off of medications, they have good long-term success with these surgeries, and they no longer have to take those medicines.
Go to TulaneDoctors.com for more information and to make an appointment.